Hey, hi friends, thanks for watching my video, and here I'm going to show how a dynamic form application is working. So let's see. So I have already created one user, like admin user, to log in on that application. If you don't have, then you can also create new users, and after that you can log in on that. So let me explain you what we can do with in that application. We can do user role management, manage dynamic forms, report management, export or import, graphic view, language support, extra, etc. Okay. So let me going to sign in that application or see what's we have in that application. Okay. So just I'm logging in on that application. You can see dashboard page. So this is the admin dashboard page. So here we can see a lot of things like related to total users, total forms, total members, on shortcut, latest users, latest forms, etc. Okay, so let me show you how we can create the dynamic form in that application. This is very powerful part of this application. So let's see. Here we can see like how many forms we have created already. We can enable or disable. We can also add in a left menu in the shortcut, edit inside record view, and we can also see like assign to users and link, etc. Okay. So if you want to create the new forms in that, dynamic forms in that, so just click on the create form. Okay, in the create form you can see that three things here. Select field, drag field here, form preview. So just we can drag the fields. Okay, here we can change the labels names like first name, or you can also add the placeholder name. So the first name is that. Okay, and the second thing is that you can add also the another fields here. So I am going to do last name. Okay. Another field you can add here like email fields, email I have added. You can also mention is required, like I have added the required this one and the required the email as well also. Okay, and here we can manage the date field. We can add the date field like DOB. Okay, so you can see I have added the 4 fields like first name, last name, email and DOB. Okay, so this is the form preview, and last things you can add also like signature pad, and this is the member signature, member sign. Okay, so you can also mention as a required or you can mention as a optional in that fields also. So I have added the required the DOB as well. Okay, so let's see how we can see that forms once they create. This is the member form. Okay, so I have added the form names here, and once they click on submit, then that forms will be created. Okay, so just click on the form, submit, and you can see the member form here. Okay, this is the member forms, and just you need to enable this one so that after that you can insert or edit this forms. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the enable, so that forms is enabled. Okay, so now if you want to add in the left menu, and you can also add this form is the left menu as well. Okay, and once you want to click on the shortcut, click on the shortcut, that form will be shown on the dashboard as well, the shortcut form. If you think I want to change anything or I want to edit my fields or delete my fields, then click on that edit forms. So here you can see the update dynamic form. Okay, if you want to change anything in that, then easily you can also change. If you want to delete that any field, so you can also delete as well. Okay, so just go on back, and let me insert the record or view the data. Okay, so first we want to view. Okay, so here you can see the tables or members forms of data, as we have created 4 fields. first name, last name, email, DOP, members. So you can also exchange like you can also drag and drop the fields columns as well. Okay, if you want to show or hide the fields, you can also show and hide the fields in that tables. So here we can easily do that. Okay, or if you want to export in PDF, export to Excel, export to CSV, or import to CSV, we can do the 4 things in that export import file. So let's see how we can create the record in that forms. So just click on the create record. In that forms we can easily add the names like John, okay, John Mac, okay, the John at the rate gmail.com. So you can have also the DOP like DOP or which one you want to, like 2019. Here we can choose this one. Okay, we can also add the sign like that. I have added the signs. Once you create the submit, that record will be also created. Okay, so here you can see the records, TOP, member signs, and edit, etc. Okay, you can also create the many records in that, or if you want to add it, then you can also add that records. Okay, or if you want to delete that record, then you can also easily delete the records. Okay, let's see, another option is there. Okay, so this is the forms as we have created, and this is the records as we have added in that forms. Okay, so now see how we can assign that forms to user. So let's see, I'm going to assign that forms to my users. They can also manage, or they can also insert the record in that form. So John Mike, I have the John Mike, Krishna K, Ram Singh. Let's assign to that form to permission to all, like view, insert, edit, and delete. We can also manage. And if you don't want to add the view permission, that it will not able to see the records. And if you don't want to provide the insert permission, then it will not be able to insert the record. He can edit or he can delete. Okay, so I'm just going to add all the permission to that user, so he can do all the things for that. Okay, now it's assigned to that user. Once you need to log in that user, then you will also see member forms record. Okay, so I'm just going to show the users. Here we can add the many users, create the users, edit and change the password. We can do whatever we want to do for that users. Okay, and this is the create users forms. Here we can select the roles, which roles you want to provide to the new users. Okay, and here is the role list. This is the role list admin can add for ourselves. Otherwise, only the admin or users are predefined, so that will not be going to change. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see another things that here. So like this is the members form. This is the create and form list. We can also change the language as well. If you want to change the language of this forms, you can easily change the forms which whatever you want to change. Okay, so let me change the Greek. Okay, so here you can see the Greek language right now. It's changing the fully on the Greek language. Okay, that page we can let me revert back to the same. So okay, English. So it's working for the English right now. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see the more details of that application, then please ping me or please mail me. So I will give you the demo of that application. Thank you very much.